This is Daryl from Crypto Daily Trade Signals coming to you live from Asia. This is our 9 a.m. Bangkok time update. Good morning from Vietnam, guys. Hopefully you guys having a great day out there. Wow, I think this is the 11th or 12th day of lockdown. Cabin fever setting in. I can't even remember. I gotta ask my wife. Whew, yeah. Sorry we missed the 9 p.m. Bangkok time video yesterday. Want to spend some time with the kids and kind of take a chill pill. So guys, I'm so excited. We got a huge catalyst that's going to happen for Doge. And if this happens, this could be a gateway, a roadway, the beginning of Doge's journey to $1. And definitely Doge will be in the top 5 crypto space very soon. So you guys need to buckle up. In this video we're going to talk about some of the breaking news, and we're going to talk about, you know, Doge to $1 if this happens. And I think it's going to happen. It is going to happen, and I think this is really huge, and it's a big milestone for Doge and all the Doge holders. You guys who have been holding strong since the beginning, who've been holding since the ups and the downs, you're going to be rewarded. You guys are going to be rewarded for sure. So remember, buy the dips, hodl, and wait for life-changing wealth. So let's get into it. Whew, let's get into it right now. So I'm pretty pumped. It's a great day here in Asia. It's a little bit windy, so I apologize for the wind in advance. But guys, let's do it. So don't forget that none of this is financial advice. It's just me offering my opinion, guys. So remember, do your own risk management. It's always important you do your own risk management. That is vital. And remember, a word of caution, word of advice is you always got to turn on your two-factor authentication on your exchanges wherever your crypto lives, because you want your crypto to live where you want it to live, and you don't want someone taking your crypto. Hey, the OG's wearing the Daily Crypto Trade Signal t-shirt. Check it out. Check it out. Yeah. So you guys can check out my merch links at the ends and pick up some merch and help support charity. So guys, go back and watch my previous videos. You know, there's some really good barn burner videos out there. If you haven't watched them, go back and watch them again. Some interesting information, and you're going to love it. Some tips and tricks. And you know, also yesterday I revealed my story, how I got to where I am. So this is a real good video. Dogecoin, wow, Elon Musk said. So I revealed my story and my journey, how I became into crypto and where I am today. So guys, check it out. Remember, watch out for scammers in the comments. These nasty scammers, they pretend to be me and ask you to contact them on WhatsApp. I'm never going to do that, guys. So don't forget that we have the one Ethereum giveaway once we hit 50,000 subscribers. We're getting closer and closer. I think we need 5,000 subscribers right now. So guys, if you haven't smashed that like, do it. And if you haven't subscribed, do it right now. So guys, overall things are looking pretty good. Let's take a look at the pre-market, the U.S. pre-market. Let's take a look at the pre-market. So right now we're looking at the Dow futures is up, and S&P futures is also up. And S&P futures is up almost 1% in pre-market, so that's pretty good. And Nasdaq is also up as well, 1%. So guys, this is not looking so bad for Bitcoin, Dogecoin, and all the other cryptos. So, and let's just take a look at where Bitcoin is right now. And as you can see, this is really bullish moves. And we'll talk about how the bulls are being able to keep their ground, maintain their ground, and they're not giving up to the bears. So right now you can see that Bitcoin is trading at 33,800, and we're getting really close. We're getting very close right now to our 50-day moving average. So we need to break out past the 50-day moving average, and we're getting there very shortly and very soon. So I think it's just a matter of time, and I think over this weekend we shall see ourselves breaking past the 50-day moving average. Remember, we have huge resistance around the 34,500 range level, so we need to break past that on the 50-day moving average, and then that will give us that will take us to the upside, guys. So I'm pretty confident we're going to do that. Remember, we got the CME future gap coming soon. And I think that's going to be really positive and really bullish. And I don't think we can expect too much of a downside from Bitcoin when we see the CME futures gap completed end of the month. So that's pretty bullish news. That's pretty fantastic news, guys. So let's get into it. Bulls have been able to maintain their ground, and they have been not giving up any territory to the bears. So that's really positive news for Bitcoin, and we need really Bitcoin to take off. And I think, as I said earlier, Bitcoin is absolutely going to break out and we're going to move above our 50-day moving average, and we're getting real close. We're gingerly getting past it, guys. So I'm pretty excited. So right now, let's take a look at the price analysis for BTC and other coins right now. So you can see Bitcoin and major altcoins are meeting resistance at higher levels, but the bearish sentiment of the last 2 months seems to be reducing. So that's really good that the sentiment in the market is getting a little bit more bullish. So that should help move things up. Bitcoin's recovery is facing resistance around about 32.5, but you can see that we've already broken past that now around about 32.8. So that's really good. And there was recently a survey done that 150 family offices, clients of Goldman Sachs, shows that 15% already own and are invested in crypto assets. So the other thing to note is that 45% definitely looking at taking the plunge into the crypto asset world. So you can see that cryptocurrencies are heading into more of a mainstream adoption right now. So that's really fantastic, and that's really great. And remember, all these family offices they're equal to about $6 trillion in assets. So that's really bullish, guys. If we can get $6 trillion worth of more capital into the markets, that's going to send the crypto space to the moon, guys. The only other thing that's holding stuff back right now is we're getting more and more regulation. We got the UK are looking at doing what Europe is doing, and that's regulating transactions over £1,000, more KYC. So that's not good. What they're trying to do is they're trying to impose banking rules on crypto. So I don't know how that's going to turn out, but you can always find other ways to keep and store your crypto and move it off. It's not a big deal, right? So so this is really interesting. Another survey by Gallup shows that Bitcoin ownership among U.S. investors with 10,000 or more invested in stocks and bonds or mutual funds has increased 2% in 2018, 16% as of June 2001. So, people who are having stonks, who are invested in stonks, they're also seeing that cryptocurrency and Bitcoin is another asset class, and it looks like more and more people are jumping on the bandwagon to get into it. So, this is really bullish news. You guys should really, consider yourself that, you're just part of something really, really early, and, we're getting into at the ground floor. So Bitcoin is it's going to be a tough battle between the bulls and bears, and, near the 20-day exponential moving average of 32,569. The bulls did not give up, though, on the 22nd. So we're seeing that, Bitcoin is fighting back right now, and we're definitely going to be pumping much, much higher over the next couple of days. So I think this weekend will turn out to be, I don't think we're going to see a red weekend. I think we're going to see a green weekend, or we're going to see a weekend that's pretty much going in one direction, just kind of flatline. So let's see how that pans out, guys. Some other news that's come about is, as you guys know, Amazon is looking at hiring a digital currency and blockchain lead, and Amazon is looking at enabling cryptocurrency as a form of payment on their platform. So that's really good, and I think Amazon will probably even launch its own cryptocurrency, if I'm not mistaken. And that would really be good in terms of, if Amazon has its own cryptocurrency, then you'd have to use either fiat to buy it or buy other digital currencies to buy Amazon's cryptocurrency, and that will allow faster throughput and payments. Now at 12 o'clock, I've got a huge announcement. It's related to Dogecoin and Amazon, and you guys need to watch that video because this is huge for Doge as well. So this is really good news. It's really bullish news. Some other news right now is, as you know, Goldman Sachs offers crypto ETPs in Europe to meet clients' interest. So, ETFs and ETPs have been, more or less approved in European countries. U.S. SEC is still they're a little bit, I don't know why the SEC won't approve ETFs for Ethereum and Bitcoin. It's unknown to me, but they seem to be holding back on that. But in Europe, ETPs are definitely happening for crypto space for Goldman Sachs clients, and so this is really great news, guys. And I really believe that the whole secondary, the whole secondary bull run is about to happen. As I talked about and touched on many times, in 2011, the bull run was divided into two two different periods. We had bull run 1, which was lasted for around about 70 weeks here, and then we had a major correction, and that was a huge correction. It was almost a 75% correction over 12 weeks, and then we had 20 weeks where we blasted off again. And I think we're going to see the same thing time and time again, saying that winter's a time for crypto, it's a time for Doge, it's a time for everything. So here's the huge major catalyst that's going to happen. As you guys know, that on the 28th of July, you know that Vitalik and Ross Nickel, they're going to have a live stream, and they're going to talk about Dogecoin and Ethereum. And as you know, Vitalik is a big, huge supporter and owns Dogecoin. And I believe that you know, the Ethereum Doge bridge is coming. This adds more utility, and this will absolutely take Dogecoin up. And you know, Dogecoin, if this happens, if we get this support from Vitalik, and I think, you know, getting support from Vitalik is actually a major will have major impact on Ethereum. And I think this is really important that we build this bridge, and you know, it will take Dogecoin from, you know, the meme joke coin to something very much more serious than it is now. And you know, this can transform Doge into the cryptocurrency of planet Earth, and I really think that's going to happen. And if once the Doge Ethereum bridge happens, definitely you can see that Doge will be the top 5 currency. It will no longer be the joke coin. It will be the, you know, the main coin. And it's funny, you know, as Elon Musk said yesterday, you know, in Occam's razor, you know, and it's very ironic that Doge was made as a joke coin, but could in fact end up being the de facto cryptocurrency for planet Earth for a lot of major retail transactions. So this is really bullish news. This is a real catalyst here. And once that Doge bridge is done, we can definitely and easily see Doge go to $1. It's happening right in front of your eyes. So you guys should be really pumped. You guys should be really psyched. So let's jump into where Doge is right now. Woo, let's get it, guys. I'm so excited. So right now we can see that Doge is trading at 19 cents, and it's just below. You see, we just have our 19.3 a resistance support level right here, and we keep bouncing above it. Luckily, we're still above our 50-day moving average that's in the blue, guys, and our 20-day moving average that's in the pink. And you see there's a big convergence that happened yesterday, and this is a good sign. When we get convergence and we're still above the 50 and 20-day moving line on a convergence level, it's pretty bullish sign. We're probably gonna see the volumes over this weekend go down. You know, volumes are always lighter over the weekend, but I'm still pretty bearish that, you know, I don't think we're going to be seeing negative territory. I think we're going to be a little bit range bound between, you know, 19 and 19.9. I think we could break above 20 cents over this weekend. Let's see how the news fares out. Tell me what you think in the comments. I really appreciate that. Woo, let's get it, guys. So I'm so excited. I'm so pumped. So let's take a look at the crypto markets, and let's get it, guys. So right now we can see that let me just reverse that for you. Yeah, let me refresh it. All right, so we can see right now that the overall crypto market cap is up a little bit compared to yesterday. We were at 1.37 trillion right here, if you guys are wondering what I'm looking at, and that's up 2.82%. So that's pretty cool, guys. So right now, Bitcoin is at 33,458. And that's up 3.15%. That's absolutely what we need, guys. We need Bitcoin to go up, and we're going to do it. And we're going to break past, we're going to break past that 50-day moving average, which is so critical for us to get past right here. So, you know, we're getting really close to it. I think we're going to break out maybe over this weekend, and if that does, that's going to signal a real bull indicator, and that could take all the other cryptos up with it. So Ethereum right now is at 2,107. That's up 3.48%. So Ethereum is still slamming. It's still crushing it out there. So that's really cool, guys. You should love it. I love it. Woo, let's get it. And Binance Coin is also up right now. It's up only 0.5%, and it's really struggling to get over $300, even though we had that burn. So guys, keep an eye on Binance Coin. I mean, I'm not suggesting it's time to sell, but it's something that you may may want to think about and getting into another coin. Maybe get into Doge, buy some more Doge. So guys, remember, none of this is financial advice. It's just me offering my opinion. This is what I'm thinking about doing. Cardano's gone up a little bit, so it's at $1.20. Thank God that Cardano is coming back, and we're trading at 1.31% right now. So that's really good, guys. And let's jump into the Doge. Now, some of you will see that Doge right now is at 19.17, and basically that's flatline. It's down just a touch, 0.0. Okay, we're just changing it. So right now, no, we're up again. So right now Doge is at 19.16, and this a little bit. But I think overall we're going to see a lot of green today. I wouldn't be too worried about Doge over the weekend. I think we're just gonna be going horizontal for the most of the weekend, and then I think next week we're really going to take off. And definitely on the 28th, when this thing with Vitalik and Ross Nicoli, once that happens, I think we're going to see some really good news, maybe even a plan forward. And you guys got to stay tuned for my 12 noon video, because I got something amazing coming up. Hey, and one of my members sent me this. I thought it was really good. So David, basically he bought a license plate for his truck, and you can see that he's got the Crypto Daily Trade Signals license plate in his truck. Thank you, brother. I appreciate it. So guys, once again, I just want to say I love you guys to death. It's just a fantastic journey. Don't forget, we got this one Ethereum that's coming in soon, guys. So don't forget to go back and check out all of my videos, guys. We got lots of stuff. Like, you can go back and check this one out. It's really a fantastic video. You guys go check it out. And guys, don't forget to check out my links. Please go back and check out my links right here. Please support the channel. Buy the channel a coffee. All goes to charity. And if you want to buy the channel a coffee, just go to kofi.com and Crypto Squad, and support me on Patreon. Check out my NFT collection. Become a channel member. What are you guys waiting for? Free charting tool. Check out all my links down there. And guys, you got to check out my merch. Check it. We got tons of merch. We got beautiful merch. We got t-shirts. We got all sorts of stuff. We got hoodies, like the t-shirt I was wearing, I showed you earlier. So guys, get it. We got aprons, so if you're barbecuing with kids, you can get one of the OG aprons. I love it. So guys, check out the merch. I mean, one of my favorite merchandise items is the mug. I got mugs. I love it. So guys, once again, I love you guys to death. Don't forget to smash the likes right now. Subscribe. Woo! I love you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Beautiful. Let's be beautiful. OG of the lockdown. Let's get it. Love, spread the good vibe. Remember, hashtag Doge spreading love. Don't forget to take this video link. Take the video link, copy, and put it in your socials right now. Support the channel as best you can, and I'll see you in the next one. Let's get it. I'm out of here. Peace and love, guys. Woohoo! Let's get it.